Today, our objective is to analyze a heating or cooling curve and find a melting or boiling point from it. So, this is what a basic heating curve looks like. Here, you have heat being added, and as heat is being added, the substance starts from solid, and then it plateaus where the temperature is no longer increasing. Then it changes to liquid, and it plateaus again where the temperature no longer increases, and then it goes into a gaseous state. Here I have this video for you to watch that goes more in detail.
Two key things to note. Firstly, that specific latent heat is particular to state changes, so the specific latent heat to change ice to water is different to the specific latent heat to change water to water vapor. And secondly, that there is no change in temperature during this change of state. It remains constant. The temperature will only change once the state change has completed. As I said before, the heat energy is not used to heat up the substance, hence no change in temperature, but instead used to make or break the bonds that hold the molecules together. If we heat up a plastic fork to its melting point, see between points B and C on this graph. The heat energy it absorbs at its melting point is busy breaking the bonds between the individual plastic molecules. Once enough bonds between molecules have been broken, the fork will melt and become liquid plastic. Messy. After this point, if we keep heating up the melted plastic, a temperature rise will be detected. The temperature will keep rising up until the next state change, liquid to gas. At the vaporization point, the plastic would stop increasing in temperature whilst it transitioned to gaseous plastic. Once in the gas state, if we were to continue heating further, the gaseous plastic would, you've guessed it, rise in temperature. So breaking bonds is why the temperature does not rise or fall when a substance undergoes a state change. Remember I said earlier that it may take a different amount of heat energy to change a solid into a liquid than to change a liquid into a gas? For example, it takes 7 times more energy to turn liquid water into gaseous water than it does to melt ice into liquid water. This means a substance can have 2 specific latent heats. Now let's...
Okay, so if you understood that, then answer these problems here. Pause the video, write down these problem questions, and then unpause it to see the graph that is being revealed now. In 3, 2, 1. Answer the questions based on the graph, and once you have finished, then unpause the video. Your answers will be revealed in 3, 2, 1. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. See you guys another time.